Hi, I'm Steve Jones and I'm going to tell you how to reduce fractions. Well, the reason we have to reduce fractions is because fractions come from real information. So, for example, if somebody comes and tells you that 16 out of the 24 cars in the car park are green, then it doesn't mean very much 16 out of 24. But you should know in a real fraction what it is. Let's have a look at these fractions. Here's several fractions. 6/8. 6/8 is not a fraction that we normally would deal with. Let's look at 6 and 8. What number divides into both? And that is what we're going to do to reduce it. Well, we know that 2 will divide into both of these numbers. Let's divide 2 into them. So 2 into 6 goes 3. 2 into 8 goes 4. So in fact 6/8 is 3/4. So if we say in the car park, 3/4 of the cars are black. That is 6 out of 8 cars. Okay, we went into a shop and 7 out of the 14 pieces of fruit were apples. Well, this is not a difficult thing because we spot straight away that 14 is actually 2 7s. So we can cancel with 7, divide by 7 here. So in fact we're saying half are apples. Right, we go into school and we say in the classroom, 16 of the 24 people happen to be girls in the class. So what proportion is this? 16 girls out of 24 members of the class. Well, we know 16 and 24, well, they both divide by 4, don't they? So 4 6s are 24 and 4 4s are 16. But looking at this, hold it, they still divide by 2. So 4 divides by 2 and 6 divides by 2. So in fact, 2/3 of the classroom is full of girls. And finally, we're in school and we know that 125 out of the 225 people are girls. Good example again. So what proportion is this? We reduce the fraction. We can see here, this is bound to divide by 5. So 5s into 12 goes 2. 5s into 25, that's 25. And 225, well, 5s into 22 goes 4 5s are 20. I think that's 45. So 25 divided by 45. Oh, this reduces yet again by 5. So divide that by 5, I'll get 5. Divide this by 5, I'll get 9. 9 5s are 45. So in fact, 5/9 of the whole school is girls. This is why we have to be able to reduce these proportions, because the numbers we're getting to give us the fractions are not simple small numbers, they're big numbers. And we can reduce them in this way to get a fraction which we can use in our normal conversation. That's simply how to reduce fractions.